Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. We are now going to be doing stage 64 of Eagle Moss and Hero Collector's Build Your Own Ghostbusters Ecto 1. Okay, so we're getting close to finishing off the cargo area of the Ecto 1, and stage 64, we're doing the Gurney rails. Let me show you what we're doing. So in here we get the Gurney rails, as you can see. So this should be a nice, quick and easy video. So let me show you what we're doing. See if I can pick it out on the page. So we've just got these two pages to do. So we're just adding two details, one at the front, just in between the two jump seats there. One at the back here, just in at the doorway here, and yeah, they're all getting done with AP screws. Then we're going over here, and we've got OP screws to put these Gurney rails down. We've got 3 rails to put down, 1 here and 2 the opposite side. Then we can actually fit the actual dashboard to it as well. So looking forward to getting the dashboard on there. Haven't had the dashboard out for a while. So yeah, nice to get that out. And then that's all we've got to do today. We should end up with the full floor pan complete. So an exciting issue today to do the Gurney rails. Really looking forward to getting this one done. So without further ado, let's get the parts open and start building. Okay, so the first detail we're going to need is this one here. As you can see, it's got all these black details at the front. The other one is just a plain grey block, just like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this one to the side just for a moment, and we're going to start off with this one first. And this one is the one that's going to be going in between the jump seat. Now, what are these? We're doing the control boxes and Gurney rails. So these are the control boxes. To be more specific, this is the Telefunken SB-329/AR control boxes. This is what these are. So let's bring over the cargo area and start getting this installed. So this first one here with the black details down there is going to go right here. Just if we turn that over, there is 2 screw points just here and here. We're just going to locate that up, and they're going to be held down with AP screws. So let's get that located in there. Grab an AP screw first, would be handy. Make sure the holes are lined up and screw away. That's the first one in. I'm just going to put the second one in before I tighten that one up. That's that one, and I'm just going to tighten the top one up now as well. And then once you've got that in, that should be looking something a little like that. Okay, the next detail, we're going down here. There's 2 little points there. That's where we're going. And that's just this part here. This is just going to slot down into there, just like so. 2 more AP screws in the bottom. So we need to flip this over and screw it from the underneath side. So those are our 2 screw holes there. I'm just going to start screwing that in, so I don't have to hold that from underneath anymore. Right, that's the first one in. So now the last AP screw of this issue is going just next to that one. There we are. Now we can turn this back over, just like so. And yeah, we've now got those 2 details in there. That one's still a little loose. I'm just going to try and tighten that one back up. That's better. Nice and stiff now. Still had a couple of threads to go on the old AP screws there. So now we're going to start installing these Gurney rails. Right, so we're going to start fitting these down in strips down here. So the first one is going to be going this way, just down here. These can be secured in with OP screws. Now these are different to what they are in the actual car. So the other way, they'd be the other way around in the other car. So I believe that would probably be because the wheels on the Gurney are probably a little bit fatter, and they require the Gurney rail to be a little bit wider. So keep going with these. We're screwing all these down. show you the first one, and I'll probably speed the next part up while we put the other 3 on. I'm going to go up the top here now. Last one for this rail, right the way down the bottom, just down here, just like that. So now I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of the rails in. Now you want to alternate them to fit in. So this one's going to go that way, and then the other one is going to mirror that on that side. So I'm going to go ahead and get all of these QM screws in. And once you've done that, that is what you should be having. Have a look at that. Doesn't that look really, really good? So the final thing it wants us to do in this stage is attach this, which is our dashboard. So this is going to go somewhere here. We're going to start securing this down with the big IP screws that they've supplied. So I'm going to start doing that. Get one in to hold it in place. I'm going to go straight in the middle. So there's 4 on the top. Make sure you don't pinch any of the wires as well, so you get them all over the top. Line that up, and then just yeah, start screwing it down. So we've got 4 at the top, and then 2 to go in underneath. That's the first one. You might see the 2 yellow things on the dashboard there. They are the Mike Lane Twinkies. So I've got one big one and one half-eaten one. I thought they did look quite good on the dashboard, because Ray and Winston did eat them in the car. That one more on the top. Just like so. Then we turn it over, line it down. As you can see, we've got 2 holes this side just here, and then 2 holes exactly the same this side here to put in. Let's get these ones in. First one, second one just behind it. Just there. And then 2 more this side. There's number 1. And number 2. And then we turn it over. Have a look at that. Isn't that massive and looking awesome? So I've got a couple more things to show you. So as you know, and you've been following me along, I do have the Mike Lane carpets in here, which do really make it pop and stand out. But yeah, the old Eagle Moss carpets that's supplied, they're not too bad. But yeah, they went down there. I've actually cut them into floor mats. So this is the first one I've cut, and this is the second one. As you can see, so this one would slide in here, down in the passenger side. This one with a little cutout for the little switch that's in there would go on the driver's side. So we slide that one in. Yeah, and there you go. It looks like they've now got carpet and floor mats, which I thought was really, really good. So yeah, that's the way mine's going to be. And with that, and we've done all of that to this part, this part now pretty much complete. we're just going to be adding some wires and that into this in the next issue. So that is this stage complete. Okay, so coming up next time, we're going to have the PCB speaker and wires. So there you go, guys. That is this stage all complete. And yeah, I hope you liked this video, because I enjoyed making this one. It was really, really good getting the rails down and everything. So if you want to get early access to these videos, come along and join my Patreon program. It'll only cost you £1 a month, and you can come along. You can get all my videos early. You can come along and watch them, interact on there. You can get exclusive posts. Mainly when I'm doing the HMS Hood, I post a lot on there about the HMS Hood, some photos, some videos, unedited, all go on there. And yeah, we get early access to everything that I do. So if you like this video, guys, please leave a like down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.